Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Alerts feature to monitor events and stay informed in real time. To get started, open your location map and navigate to the Alerts tab located in the bottom navigation bar. Once selected, the Alerts panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll find a list of all alerts related to your location, including environmental risks and operational issues. You can easily filter alerts using the available tabs. Select All to view every alert, Active to focus on ongoing issues, or Resolve to review past events. To see more details, simply select an alert. The platform will display key information such as the location name, date and time, alert type, severity level, and exact coordinates. You can also open the alert directly on the map for better context and visibility. If needed, you can create a task directly from the alert, assign it to a team member, set a priority and due date, and monitor its progress to ensure the necessary actions are completed efficiently. With the Alerts feature, you can quickly identify active issues, understand their status, coordinate the appropriate response, and ensure your location is operating within safe and expected conditions.